Hey guys, it's Dodo Bird. It's me, of course it's me. It's a single video and where's Mario? Mario, hold on a second. Mario, you weren't here. What'd I miss? What did I miss out on? Really? You missed out on the grandest thing of them all. What? Hi. Wow. Thanks a lot. Anyway, that's not what I want to tell you. Look what I found. What the frick is that? I'll show you, look. It speaks, I'll even show you. Speak. See, it speaks. Whoa, cool. Yeah, I guess so. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, don't you love it? He can be my new best friend. Wait a minute, I thought I was your best friend. Oh, yeah, well, you're all my best friend. You're all my best friend, okay? I'm your best friend too. Yeah, you're my best friend too. Yay! Okay, bye-bye now. Hi, guys. Hey, who the frick are you? I'm Mario. I'm your biggest fan. Would you like a chocolate? No, I'm fine. Oh, okay. So, hi everybody. Please go away. I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to get drunk. This was creepy. I don't get out of here. Well, there goes another one. Well, just to talk some more. I'm going to kill you all. What? I said I'm going to kill you all. What? I mean. Well, I guess that's okay. I think we're gonna have a problem. No! Okay, I'm fire. See, no problem. Yay! I got my game back. Yay! Okay, ready to leave? Yeah, I'm ready to go home. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh, sorry.